Welcome back into the studios, everybody. Who's ready for some more mixed media sketching content? So as we go ahead and apply a gesso patch to the back of this board, so that way we can apply some charcoals and some mixed medias to this and just have fun just creating like a little sketch or a little project on the back of the canvas. Now this is the original of the Golden Panther that I have created in the previous videos of this playlist. So if you want to check that out, make sure you hit the info card above, or you can check out the link at the very end of the video. You'll be able to see the full length content in 6x speed or 36x speed. So I will have two videos depending on the time that you'd like to invest in that, or if you want to see how I kind of paint things out. And you know, I don't really plan a lot of my paintings, and this was one I kind of just went with the flow and just had fun with. It turned out very abstract and incorporated a lot of gold leaves and gold acrylics into that, and it was a really fun process. I do hope my buddy James likes that. Now, of course, I've said it in previous videos that I am making this for my buddy James. He is a co-worker, and I've known him for a few years now, but of course, he's a great guy. He's always ordered quite a few tumblers and different projects from me, so he's always a loyal customer, and he's always came back for more and more projects. He definitely challenges me sometimes to go outside and get new vinyl prints and things like that, and I really do appreciate him as not just a friend, but as a purchaser from my art studio. He's been a great supporter. So I felt like I just really wanted to do something special for him, and in doing so, I decided to make an actual painting for him. Now, most that subscribe to my YouTube channel know that I am a mixed media artist, and I do create all sorts of things here on my YouTube channel. Everything from dioramas to acrylic paintings, hopefully get back into oils here soon. I do pencil drawings, charcoal, and things like that. So you may find all sorts of different things here on my YouTube channel, but James is a avid purchaser of tumblers. So of course I wanted to do something a little bit different for him, something a little bit larger format, and that's where this painting came into. So as you can see here, we've already got a lot done here. Now, I do time myself into an hour long for these videos. Of course, this is time-lapse for you guys, so you can watch it at your ease. But what I've done is I've already went ahead and laid out 2 layers of charcoal here. I went in with a medium to hard charcoal first, kind of blended it out a little bit, and then we went in with a softer overlay. Now, this is just the generic Carolina Panther logo, and I freehand sketched that. I didn't use like a tracer or like a projector or anything like that. And we're just going to make this just very fun and free and abstract. And it's not really supposed to be anything that's like super extravagant. It's just supposed to be just something fun. So if somebody like ever turns the canvas around, or if James sells it, then when they look at the back of the canvas, it's just like, hey, there's a little sketch there. A lot of Disney artists will do things like this, and I've just really been challenging myself. So if I am painting a lot of abstract or acrylic or oil paintings, and I really don't have a ton of time to do individual sketches, charcoals, and things on their own projects, I can kind of incorporate little micro drawing videos into some of my content here. Applying a little bit of a drip action there off of the blue here. We're going to let it be runny and let it be messy. And here's where we're really going to kick it up, you guys. We're going to apply a gold leaf kind of halo around the entire project. We used a lot of gold leaf on the front of the canvas. Now, we did cover a lot of that up during the creation process of the Carolina Panther, or well, more so the Gold Panther abstract painting that I had made for James on the front. But of course, this is just something fun that I can apply a little bit of like gold to the back of the canvas here. Here it is with the gold leaf adhered to the back of the board here. And we're going to go ahead and brush this off very vigorously, and we're going to get rid of that. Now I'm going to go ahead and touch up with a little bit of ivory black around the outside edges. Any of that existing gesso that's kind of shining through the exterior edges of the logo and then the front part of the gold leaf there. I just want to kind of blend that a little bit. I'm not going to go over the charcoal with acrylics. It's very tempting to do that. And although I do see a lot of my charcoal marks here, and in some ways I really don't like that, but at the same time, this is originally just a charcoal sketch with acrylics blended in, and really want to have fun just improving the overall abstract layer of it. I'll go ahead and spray that to see how it looks when it's all darkened out, and it looks pretty good. I do want to make sure that that charcoal is visible, that it is actual charcoal and not just black acrylics. If I wanted to do just a straight up black acrylic painting on the back of this, I could have done that. and it would look slightly different, a little bit darker, but I decided to forego that and just go ahead and leave the charcoal the way it was. I went ahead and it gave that a nice satin varnish layer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sign it on that little gold drip there. That will be my artistic signature for the back of the canvas. Hope you guys enjoyed this little simple sketching video with charcoal and acrylics and a little bit of gold leaf as well. Make sure you like and subscribe. Later, guys.